Family, friends, and colleagues have paid their last respects to a slain Manila policeman. We'll have the details of this report from Jules Giang.
Members of the Manila Police District gathered as they gave their last salute to their colleague, Police Officer 1 Ryan Bagadyong. He was shot dead by a riding in tandem by two suspicious men in Ermita, Manila. For the last time, Bagadyong's relatives expressed their deepest grief as well as their gratitude to the police for their support and sincere sympathy.
Wala po kapalit ang buhay ng aking kapatid. Tumulong po tayo po, pero wala po kapalit. Maraming po salamat sa kapulisan, sa mga nagmamahal po sa kapatid ko.
Nariyan po kayo, ang suporta niyo po at ang tulong. Katulad nga po ng sinabi ko, ang agarang hustesya na nakamit namin sa asawa ko. Isa po sa nakapagpagaan po sa aming kalooban.
The city government of Manila gave their last tribute to Bagadyong through Mayor Alfredo Lim, while the leadership of the Manila Police challenged the rest of the policemen to have Bagadyong as an example of a true defender of the people.
Sa ating mga kapulisan, sana ang pinakitang kabailahan sa bayan ay hindi masayang, hindi maging hamon, ngunit sa ating lahat na sa panahon ng kabataan niya ay nagsakripisyo at hindi niyang ialay ang sarili para sa kanyang sinipang tungkulin.
Relatives, colleagues, and friends of Bagadyong walked the streets of Manila as they brought the remains of Bagadyong at the Manila North Cemetery. Gun salutes were given as a sign of tribute before Bagadyong was finally arrested. The death of PO1 Ryan Bagadyong is a call to all policemen to be true to their promise to defend the people, come what may. For People's Television, Jules Gia.